Welcome to Orderline's Ontario Building Code Quick Tips. This topic is regarding location of smoke alarms in houses, presented by Steve Penna. 910-19-3, location of smoke alarms in the building code. Smoke alarms provide early warning and notification to occupants of a house of the presence of smoke, allowing them to evacuate the home safely. The location of smoke alarms in a house is crucial in providing that early warning and notification. The Ontario Building Code, OBC, requires that sufficient smoke alarms be installed so that there is at least one smoke alarm on each floor level, including on any story of a dwelling unit containing sleeping rooms. A smoke alarm must be installed in each of the sleeping rooms and in a location between the sleeping rooms and the remainder of the story. And if the sleeping rooms are served by a hallway, the smoke alarm should be located in the hallway. And finally, they are also required to be located and installed on or near the ceiling. It goes on to say that within a house that has a two-unit dwelling, let's say, that contains an interior shared means of egress or common area, a smoke alarm should be installed in each shared means of egress and common area and be installed on or near the ceiling. You can see in this diagram that you have in the legend, you can see that's the smoke alarms. Number one indicates smoke alarm in the basement. Number two, at least one smoke alarm on each story. Number three, in every sleeping room served by a hallway, smoke alarms located in the hallway. Number four, smoke alarms in each sleeping room. And finally, number five, they all have to be installed on or near the ceiling. Proper detection of a fire and smoke plays the critical role in persons being promptly notified of a fire situation. If not, there would be a delay in evacuation for persons that could occur. Therefore, within dwelling units, sufficient smoke alarms are required to be installed as per the diagram above. In this diagram, smoke alarms are required to be installed as indicated previously in each interior shared means of egress. So we have a common means of egress, which is like a two-unit dwelling. And as a result, that common area, the smoke alarm would be required to be located within the shared exits, which is highlighted in yellow. Thank you for watching Location of Smoke Alarms. For more information on compliance with Part 9 of the OBC, go to www.orderline.com. Again, thank you for watching.